the equation of a line. So we have to find the equation of line. Now there are four forms of equation of line. Which form we have to represent, that depends upon what is given in the question. So what is given? So there is a point given in the question. So whenever we have a point, it means that point is the fixed point given. So we represent the fixed point by x1 y1, that is equals to 32 comma 2. This is given. Then what is given? The line is inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Now, please understand one thing. Whenever on the Cartesian plane or xy plane or the coordinate plane, some line is passing and it makes an angle of 75 degree with the positive x-axis, any angle, any degree of angle. So that angle is theta, and that angle which is line is making with the positive x-axis, that is equals to tan theta. And tan theta we represent it for the slope. Okay, so it means m is equals to tan theta. Now, what is theta given? Theta is 75 degree. Now, we don't have the value of 75 degree directly, or what you can do, you can use the calculator to find it. But what I will do, because if I don't have the calculator is not allowed somewhere. Then what I will do, I will break 75 as 45 plus 30, or you can write 30 plus 45. It's your choice. After that, what I will do, I will use the formula for tan A plus B. I have the formula of tan A plus B, which is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. What is tan A? Tan 45 degree plus tan 30 degree, B is 30. 1 minus tan 45 times tan 30 degree. Okay, so tan A plus B 45 plus 30, I'm directly writing 75 degree. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 multiply 1 by root 3. Now, when I sort out this one, it will be root 3 plus 1 and root 3 over root 3. Then we have root 3 minus 1 over root 3. Root 3 cancels out. So I left with root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. This I left with. Now when I rationalize this, because I have to rationalize the denominator, after rationalizing it completely, so I rationalize with the denominator by multiplying with the same term but with opposite sign. So when I sort out this one, I got root 3 plus 1 whole square over 3 square minus 1 square, because this is a minus b and a plus b. I have the identity, which is a square minus b square. So it's 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. So I left with root 3 plus 1 whole square over 2. Okay, so this is the value that I got of tan theta, which is the slope basically. Now, what is the equation of line? So equation of line, which I have to use because I have a point and I have m. So that is equals to y. Let me write in the next line because I don't have the page. So equation of line when having point and the slope, that is y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1. What is y1? That is this 2 is equals to m, which is root 3 plus 1 whole square over 2 x minus x1. So x1 is 32. Now, if you want to sort it out, you can sort it. If you want to leave it like this, you can leave it. Okay, so let's try to solve it, maximize. Okay, so I'm rubbing this because I don't require this. Directly I'm writing here because we have already know what is tan 75 degree value is coming. This over 2. Okay, so I am taking this 2 to the other side, which goes in multiply like this. So root 3 plus 1 whole square x minus 32. So it's 2y minus 4 is equals to root 3 plus 1 whole square x minus 32. So just leave it here only. You don't want to solve it. If you want to solve it, you can solve it, but I'm leaving it here only. Okay, don't try to solve much. So this is the equation. Or you can say one thing. You can say, you can do that. You just take this value to the left hand side. Okay, so that maximum you can do.